Happy Diwali! Diwali is an Indian major festival. Diwali is a festival of lights. In Diwali, kids like to crack the fireworks. So, today we're gonna make paper fireworks. Diwali is coming November 14th, so we have to be prepared. If you didn't subscribe to our channel, please subscribe so you can watch more videos. Let's start. This is the second kind of firework or patas in Tamil.
I got yellow.
And I got white. 3, 2, 1. You can take any rectangle paper you want. I got A4 size paper. First, fold it in half. Next, unfold it. Now, get the bottom and fold to the crease line. And then fold it again and fold to the crease line. Now fold this up. This up, this up, and one more time. So now you can just open it up and see how much crease line you have. You should have 6 or max to 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I got 6. So now you can just fold them back. Now flip it around and get the right side and fold to the left. So, now get the folded corner and get this up and try to drag it to the side. And just hold to here. Now, you have 2 holes here. You can blow or leave it alone. If you blow, you'll get a more bigger noise and that will be great. So, my fireworks is ready. Now flip it around. You should have the 2 holes in the front.
That was an amazing blast! You can make one of these like a lot of times. It was amazing! There's almost one more way to do it. It's another fireworks. So I'm going to teach you how to do it right now.
So this is the second kind of fireworks I'm planning to do. First, fold it in half. So get the bottom and fold to the top. And match the corners. Then unfold it. Now you have a bigger crease in the middle. So turn it and fold like a cone over here. Now turn it around and do the same to this side. Now turn it and fold this in half.
Now it's the shape of a trapezoid. Now turn it again.
Now fold this in half so the bottom should go up. Now get this corner and you can fold it to the right. If you've seen my bat origami video, we did the exact same thing. Now turn it and do the same thing to this side. Your fireworks is ready now.
So our second firework is ready. Now let's test this out. It worked! Amazing! Right? Now let's do that again. Please try this in your home. You can do the first one or the second one. It's all your wish. And try it. So, that's all. Thank you for watching our Diwali! Thank you for watching our Diwali video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe. We'll see you in another amazing festival video. Hope you like this video. I'll see you later, guys.